I am Miracle and I'm the founder of CoCreator. CoCreator is a content intelligence platform that finds what is already working in your niche, learns from your social media accounts what is already working for you, and turn these patterns into content that you can publish right away. Let me show you how it works. Here is my workspace, and I created this for one of my apps, Phrase 5. It's a language learning app. Here I have the content for the week, and the way these contents were generated is as a result of CoCreator finding content that already works. This content had 7.8 million views, and if I check the details of this content, CoCreator analyzes this content and sees if it is a fit for my niche and my workspace, breaks down the scene and why this can be a good fit, how we can repurpose this content. Based on the information it got from the signals and from our workspace, it generates keywords and hashtags that can be useful to our workspace, and based on this it gets signals. These signals are gotten every day, and we have an automation for that keeps running. This should run tomorrow morning by 8 a.m. and should have more content, and we get both videos and carousels. This other automation is responsible for creating content, and it auto publishes or creates a draft for your social media accounts if you select one. For this automation, I have set up contents for twice a day, and this is by default. You get this. If you're not satisfied, if you want just once a day, then you can remove one of these. Here is the content that it generated. If I take this, you can see the content it generated. This is a mini canvas, and you can edit whatever thing you don't want here, the background, the text, and every other slide here. The good thing about these images is that you can get some of them from Pinterest, or you can upload your images or collection to the library, and you can always use them in the automation. I come in here, slides, and you can select a format or the background image collection. About this format is more of a template, the structure that your slides should follow. And if for example we have a carousel slide or signal in this view, we can turn it to a template. You can save it as a template, and every other content that we generate from our automation, as long as we select that template here, we follow that pattern. Many more things to come to CoCreator. If you're hoping to scale your distribution, CoCreator is the right platform for you. See you, and I hope you are able to scale your distribution.